This year's show seems to be a lot more popular than it has been in the past.
She's 9 years old, her name's called Angels, and she's an umbrella cockatoo.
How old is Pappy?
21.
Tim. These are all original paintings. I'm going to give a donation to one of the Parrots Conservation Trusts because I'm so close to the organisation and what they do for the birds.
The puppy here is Collins and Royal Crown Derby. Cockatoos in the middle are Royal Crown.
Get them on a more healthy diet. Hi, I'm Jolene and I'm the founder of Parrot Fun House. We are a toy and bird accessories company. Come to us as a rescue 7 years ago. We're roasted aviaries and we make aluminium aviaries.
These are Marriage's Nutribars. They're a superfood for parrots. As well as these, we've got things like our African Grey Mix, which is low in black sunflowers, which means it's got a lower oil content and is more suitable for parrots with a higher granivorous content in their natural diets.
I'm Jeremy, and this is Molly.
All our funds and money that we take today are in aid of the World Parrot Trust.
Hello!
Hello, Cerise. Hello, Arrow. Hello, Arrow. Can't take it off.
Just here to promote the core species. So blue and gold here, and Hyacinth macaw here. This is Buddy, he's 6.
And how much would you sell me that one for?
Wish me luck. This is where
What a good boy!
A round of applause for Zimmer, please.
Good girl, Sophia. Good girl.
I'm gonna go this way.
A Rosella, a cockatiel, and a kakariki.
Did you just bring Arrow?
I think he's tired at the minute.
Doing great. She fell asleep, so she's very relaxed. I think the first time you know a bit of pressure. I was like under pressure.
It was great to be here at Think Parrots, and we always appreciate the invitation to come and talk. So he contacted us at the World Parrot Trust, which of course is based at Paradise Park.
We have handmade tote bags, which are like shopping bags. We have cake protectors for you, for beaks and any other bits that the birds might do.
We're Garden Feathers Bird Supplies. We're a specialist bird supply.
I'm Molly. I'm one of the nurses from the Beaumont Sainsbury Animal Hospital.
We're Northern Parrots. We're the main sponsor of Think Parrot Show 2019.
Okay, I'm Ginny, this is Kim from the Parrot Lodge. We offer parrot boarding in Cheltenham in Gloucester. We're here to promote our insurance for parrots.
What are you going to say?
Hello!
I love painting parrots because of the diversity of all the colours, and they just astound me with all the different varieties.
Does the GPS track how?
Yeah, good morning, Alan Jones, veterinary surgeon. I am doing microchipping by appointment later on today.
She's just come up with a little compliment of her eye, and I thought, wow, the expert.
Say hello, Ricky. Say hello.
I don't know. Film me, I don't even know.
Turn around.
We're British Pet Insurance. We launched last year with a specialist policy for parrots.
We're here at Think Parrots today from Great Western Exotics. We're Avon Exotic Specialist Veterinary Practice in Swindon, Wiltshire. We've got 5 vets in the practice, and yeah, we're looking forward to meeting some people, some clients here today. And
my name is Sean, and his name is Cookie Master.
Nimau! Nimau! Nimau, we've got a massive Mikey!
Oh no! Well, you have to hold him now. You have
Hold
to.
Mikey, come on.
Mikey loves meeting every friend. Well, hold your arms straight because he's going to throw any earrings otherwise.
She saw you. She was like, oh my god.
Is he heavy? Wow, he's gonna love this. He hasn't had a catch enough. We'll do the Northern Parrots thing now. And we have all of Northern Parrots. Now, these guys is where we literally get everything.
I like that one. We've had 2 of them already, but this one is nice. Like this one.
Right, exactly. Won't last them long, will it?
You good money to spend, won't you?
Well, but that's a bit steep, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm surprised also if that. Is your one is an age 3290?
Thank you.
There we go.
Can I take one of these?
Yes, you can. Thank you.
Hello! Hello!
Hi, so we're Birdline and we rescue and foster out to the public birds in need of a good home.
Some great flying displays by Craig Young on his macaws outside. Fantastic to see them flying, and there's nothing like seeing macaws in flight, and the number of people there was significant. Many people were enjoying that flying display. So I'd like to thank everyone for coming, because without the people coming here there wouldn't be a show. And we look forward to seeing them next year, and hopefully there'll be more attractions, more people, more things going on. So we're looking forward now to 2020.
Right, ready? Come on then, go!
Nice. Oh, good boy. You're going down. Come on then. Oh, he's flying. Oh.